Hi. My name is Jane, and in this video I'm going to give you a very important alert that can change your opinion about yoga burn. So watch this video until the end so you don't end up regretting it later. Yoga burn is for women from any walk of life who are ready to make time to follow a done-for-you yoga program designed to promote natural and healthy weight loss without any need for pills, powders or potions. If you want to lose weight and get in shape without having to spend countless hours in the gym or lift heavy weights, then yoga burn may be a great fit for you. This forces your body to change and adapt, which in turn helps to build a shapely, feminine body that not only looks better, but feels better too. Any woman can have results with yoga burn, as it was created for all ages and physical conditions. The unique 3-phase program guides you through a series of different videos that are laid out in a way that will keep your body and mind guessing to ensure you do not get bored or hit a plateau. Was designed the program to be able to suit women of all fitness levels, from very new beginners to advanced yoga students. Each video is 45 minutes long and can be done anytime, anywhere. You are encouraged to complete 3 45-minute videos a week, with the option to complete a bonus video lesson which is provided. Yoga burn is designed specifically to meet the needs and challenges of everyday women that want to shape up, lose weight and experience all of the amazing benefits a professional and progressive yoga program has to offer. All in the comfort of your own home. On your own time. Created by Zoe Bray Cotton is an internationally certified personal trainer, yoga instructor and female transformation specialist to over 1 million women around the world. Zoe is the creator of international best-selling fitness systems for women such as Yoga Burn, as well as the Yoga Burn Facebook and Instagram community. And you can see here some recent feedback from members of our Yoga Burn community. Thousands of women are satisfied with their body and mind thanks to Yoga Burn. You can test for 60 days. If you're not totally and completely satisfied with this program, your results or your experience in the first 60 days from your purchase, simply let us know by calling our toll-free number or dropping us an email, and you will be issued a full refund. But you need to be very careful when purchasing Yoga Burn. The official website you are seeing on the screen is the only 100% secure website to make the purchase. The official website is in the description of the video and in the first comment. So be careful not to fall for scams when buying Yoga Burn. This totally unique routine is designed for women that would like to experience the wonderful benefits of yoga while being able to burn calories, manage their weight and get into great shape at the same time. I hope this video has cleared your doubts. Any questions can leave a comment below. Leave your like so that more people can see this video and be helped too. Thanks for watching. Bye.